In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the MG iSmart app. To begin, open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. If you are on an Android device, you will need to open the Google Play Store. You can find these apps on your home screen or in your app drawer. The App Store has a blue icon with a stylized letter A, while the Google Play Store has a colorful triangle logo. This is the first step in accessing a wide range of applications. Once you have located the correct store, simply tap on its icon to launch it. This will give you access to millions of apps, including the one we are looking for today. Next, you will need to search for MG iSmart. In both the App Store and Google Play Store, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on that bar to activate it. Now type in MG iSmart using your on-screen keyboard. Make sure to spell it correctly for the best results. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific app you want to download. You should see a list of search results appear shortly. Once you find MG iSmart in the search results, it is time to tap the Get button if you are on an iPhone or iPad. For Android users, you will see the Install button instead. Tapping this button initiates the download process. It's important to know that downloading apps can vary in speed depending on your internet connection. If your connection is strong, the app should begin downloading quickly. This step is key because it allows you to access all the features the app has to offer once it is installed. Now, you will need to wait for the app to download and install. During this time, you may see a progress indicator showing the download status. Be patient as this process can take a few moments. Once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. This is an essential phase because it ensures that you have the latest version of the app, which often includes important updates and fixes. After the app has successfully installed, tap the Open button. This button usually appears right after the installation is complete. If you missed it, don't worry. You can also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tapping Open takes you directly into the MG iSmart app. This is a significant step because it gets you right into the app, ready to set it up or start using its features. Finally, you will need to sign in with your existing MG iSmart account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. On the app's main screen, you will see options for signing in or registering. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account and follow the prompts. This step is vital for personalizing your experience and accessing your vehicle's connected features. Once you are signed in, you will be able to use the app's functionalities seamlessly. In summary, you have now successfully downloaded the MG iSmart app and are ready to enhance your experience. Enjoy using the app to connect with your vehicle.